Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review two products. Yes, you might have guessed from the title also that I'm going to review products from a brand pronunciation. So it is an India-based brand, so it is definitely made in India product, which everybody is pitching these days right now. So I also wanted to try some made in India products, and both these products are related to hair. So during these lockdowns, I had a lot of problems with my hair. So I just wanted to try. I'm just trying and testing few products which work for my hair. So I have recently reviewed few hair products which you can go and check. I'll put a link over here. You can go and check it out, or I will put a link. So during this lockdown, I had a lot of issues with my hair fall, dryness, not any luster, not any shine. So I have been trying few products here and there which can or may work for my hair. So I decided to give this brand a try because a lot of people on internet are reviewing this brand. So I thought that I should also go and give it a try. And if it works for me, I'm going to share it. Or if it works for me or doesn't work for me, I'm going to share it with you also, that you can also decide for yourself whether you want to go for this brand or not. So again, there is an Indian brand. So they are made in India products. They are basically natural hair and skin luxury products basically. So this is a luxury brand. This is not like a normal Ayurvedic brand. So it is basically a natural luxury brand. We'll go into these products one by one. So the first product which I have is this Aegte Keralution hair mask. It is basically a pro keratin restore with biotin. So it is supposed to keratin your hair. Keratin is kind of a protein which straightens your hair. So this mask is supposed to do that, give you a very straightened look into your hair. So now let us go into the claims of this product. So this product claims that it is going to benefit the keratin for a long-term protection, conditions and restores damaged hair, gives perfect softness, shine and glamour, has biotin to enhance keratin restoration, intensive therapy for damaged and coarse hair. So it is basically made for dry and damaged hair. So I would be providing you the links of these products in my description, so you can go and have a look at the key ingredients of this product. The major ingredient which is said to be in this product is argan oil plus amla. So both the products are pretty natural and herbal. Let us go with the pricing of this product. So this product is priced at rupees 1599 for 100 grams of product. To go into the packaging of this product. So this is how is the packaging of this product. This is a plastic bottle with a beautiful lid over it, and it's all black with some gold embossment over it, and it consists of all the information which is required and the pricing and the ingredients, everything inside it. And you have to open this bottle like so, and you get a lid inside, and when you open this, you get this pink colored hair mask consistency product. Now the major fault which I found with the packaging of this, that there are no instructions how to apply it. So I had to go to their website and find out that how I have to apply this product on my hair. So now let's go into the demo of this product. So for the demo, you have to shampoo your hair really nicely, and then divide your hairs into sections, and this apply this hair mask to your damp hairs, and then you have to either wrap it in a towel, or you can keep it like that only. And you have to apply this mask very generously from the root to the toe, and you have to wrap your hair in a hot towel and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash off your hair with normal water and let it dry naturally. Demo, we've seen the pricing. Now let's go into the final thing, that is the review of this product. So I did find this product nice for my hairs because it really made my hair soft, shiny, with a lot of luster it gave to my hair. But as far as when it comes to the straightening of the hair, which is claimed in the box also, if you could see here, it is claimed here also. So that didn't happen to my hair because anyways my hairs are pretty straight. They are only curly in the ends, otherwise they're very straight. So I was expecting a better straightening effect on my hairs, but it didn't happen with this product. So if you are somebody who's looking for something which give you keratin like feel to your hairs with this mask, I think that will not happen. But if you have a pretty dry, damaged hair and which are very frizzy in nature, I think you can go for this mask. Next product which I'm going to review for you all is another hair mask. So this hair mask is called as Healthy Roots Hair Mask, which consists of 2x power of ginger and onion. So it is another herbal Ayurvedic natural product. So let us go into the pricing of this product. So this product is priced at rupees 599 for 200 ml of product. Now let us go into the packaging of product. So this is another plastic packaging which is all white, and you get all the things here, instructions how to use it, and what are the ingredients in this product, and pricing and other things are written over here. And this is how you open it. And this is how you open, and you can see this is all white product. It's like a conditioner for your product. It's like a conditioner consistency. So now how to apply this? So first you have to have your damp hairs, and then you have to partition them, and then you have to apply this really nicely from the midsection of your hair to the toes of your hair. This not full, like full length, but not at the roots. You have to apply it like a conditioner. You have to apply it, and you have to keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. You can keep or wrap it in a hot towel also, like I have done here. So I have wrapped it in a hot towel. You can make it like you can just dip your towel or any cloth in the hot water from the geyser and just apply it on your hair, and if it gets cold or something you can redo that, and you can keep it for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you have to wash it off. So that is how I use it currently, and that is how it is to be used. And it has also given some shine to my hairs, which I also like. It has really helped controlling in the frizz-freeness. It has really made my hairs really soft that I can go through my fingers like this, and it has really made a difference into my hairs. So it's my conditioner forever now, because A, it is a very, very natural product. B, it has really given some volume and some life to my hairs, otherwise dry, damaged hair. So I really like it. It is helping controlling the frizz of my hair. So I really like this, and it can be and it is very, very good replacement of a conditioner, because conditioners usually contain a lot of chemicals, but this one is pretty natural. So this is really going to help your frizzy hairs. So that's it for this review, guys. All the details related to purchasing this product will be in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. I have also listed the website of this company, so you can go and check it out that also. And that's it for this review, guys. I hope you've liked this and enjoyed it. If you did so, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and put on any links if you put on any requests if you want me to do a video on. I'm gonna do it for you all. See you in my next one. Bye.